this is Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Toyota Corolla Ascent Sport. Stock reference number 4855. This shape runs from the 4th month 2015 through to the 6th month 2019. It has a 2ZR FE, 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2ZR FE, 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light. Left guard appears to have no damage. Bonnet appears to have no damage. Left front, 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear, 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left-hand tail light. Left tailgate garnish. Tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tailgate garnish. Right-hand tail light. Right rear, 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right-hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, manual fold mirror type. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, black cloth center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, 7-inch touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.